Hello again, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I am Dr. MarleneOwen, Certified Manifestation Coach. If you are new here, I invite you to subscribe to our channel and let's grow together. So today we have an exciting topic to discuss that can truly transform your relationships. It's all about fixing your thoughts. Yes, my friends, you heard it right. Our thoughts play a significant role in shaping our relationships. They have the power to either uplift or hinder our connection with others. So, let's dive into some practical ways to fix our thoughts and watch our relationships soar. So, step 1, practice self-awareness. Take a moment to reflect on your thoughts and your emotions. Are they positive and empowering? Or do they lean towards negativity? By becoming aware of your thought patterns, you can start identifying any unhealthy or unhelpful beliefs that might be impacting your relationships. Let's move on to step 2. Challenge your negative thoughts. So when you catch yourself thinking negatively about someone, pause and ask yourself if there's evidence to support that thought. Because often we create stories in our heads based on assumptions, and they can damage our relationships. So instead, strive to give people the benefit of the doubt and communicate openly with them. Here comes step 3, practice empathy. Put yourself in the shoes of others and try to understand their perspective. Empathy allows us to connect on a deeper level and fosters healthier relationships. When we genuinely listen and show understanding, we create an environment where trust can flourish. Step 4, cultivate gratitude. Focus on the positive aspects of your relationships and express gratitude for the people in your life. Gratitude helps shift our mindset from negativity to appreciation. It also strengthens our bonds and increased our overall happiness. And there you have it, my friends. 4 powerful steps to fix your thoughts and watch your relationships soar. Remember, it's an ongoing process, but with dedication and mindfulness, you can transform the way you think and connect with others. My friends, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. And as always, share this video with someone who might benefit from it. Until next time, keep fixing those thoughts and nurturing those relationships. Take care and be awesome, my friends. Love and light. Bye for now.